Want to know how to fix voice issues or sound issues in the Waze app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your Waze application. Now, once I've done that, there could be various reasons why your sound or your voice is not working. Sometimes it could be your device as well. So you can just simply restart your Waze application or just simply restart your device or reboot your device. It might help. So if it still doesn't work, there is also another way, that is reporting the issue. So just select this hamburger icon. Now once you've selected it, head towards help and feedback. Now once you're under help and feedback, a page would load where you can simply ask out and report helps and also get some feedbacks. So simply select report an issue directly. And now once you're there, there should be a drop down box. So choose a topic, and now since we want to fix voice and sound, just simply select voice and sound right here. Now once you've done it, just simply select your subtopic, and that is what is you're suffering with. So maybe Google Assistant, music apps, and much more. Now once you've found it, you can just simply select these resources, and if it still doesn't help, just simply submit a ticket. So once that is done, and once you've filled in your form, any issues will be reported, and the Waze community or its moderators will come back to you with help. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.